Hello everyone, this is Showtime with Bilal. So today's topic is very, I would say, basic, but I felt the need that I should talk about it and educate my fellow marketeers, even business owners, if they're watching my video. So that is the difference between CBO and ABO. Most of the times, I would say that Meta encourages you to use CBO by using their Advantage Plus options, by keeping everything on. I would say that is not the right way to scale your campaigns or to achieve greater results, because when you use CBO, what you're doing, you are giving, let's suppose, two audiences having multiple or different creatives. So you're telling Meta to test by their own. Meta algorithm always gonna split the budget between these two, and you don't know which audience is relevant to you. So I would suggest what I have been doing from the past 8 years, generating 10 million plus revenue for my clients. I have always went with the ABO option, where you decide to go with the 50-50 split by doing A/B testing. Then later on, you will decide that which creative is working perfect for you and which audience is better for you. You can then increase or decrease the budget accordingly, according to your need. Because keep one thing in your mind, which Meta doesn't know. Even the reps, they always talk trash, they waste your time, right? What you need to do, you need to set the budget as per your product, as per your industry. What is your niche? What are you trying to push? Is it a low ticket item or is it a high ticket item? Are you going for a SaaS business, you're running leads campaign or conversion campaign? You are the one who's gonna decide that I'm gonna increase this budget for this specific ad set for these creatives, right? This is the approach which I'm using from the past 8 years. Even if you look at professional marketeers, performance marketeers, or business owners who has experience in such domain, they'll always talk about ABO setting. And there's no need to turn on your Advantage Plus options always or all the time. Because let me tell you why. When you go to your asset level and if you turn on everything as per Advantage Plus, for example, if you're working for a food business or some kind of business where your target audience, where you have to target such audience within the radius of 5 to 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers, right? So if you select turn on enhancement or Advantage Plus, when you go to that location settings where you add your geographics, below that options, you will be seeing that there's always a check mark by Meta by default that if they see the results are improving, either trash or quality, they will be reaching the audience beyond that location, beyond that radius, which is totally irrelevant and I would say a very bad feature Meta has enabled for us by default. Why? I don't want people to see my ads more than 20 kilometers or 20 miles, 30 miles. Because if my business is a restaurant or my business is something that I want to serve that audience within the radius of 30 miles, I don't want anyone to see more than 30 miles or 30 kilometers, right? Keep these small tweaks in mind. These are the steps that are gonna make you a good advertiser, and these are the tweaks which is gonna help you in scaling your business. There's no need to upside down everything in your ads manager. So I hope that this small information is gonna help you and help you in generating more good results. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.